Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today now I'm having a real bad case of...
And déjà vu.
Have we not met before, monsieur?
Can't put my finger on it. So this is another pre-combustion chamber out of the same D2. It's leaked again. We changed one and this has gone straight away. So you can see the wet patch there. So you can see it. There's a pinhole right in the middle there. So this has to be welded again, and the collar's stuck to it as well. So you can see this bit there, that's underwater really. So I'll clean it up with a grinder and go from there. I'll put a link to my previous video underneath so you can see the full thing. But yeah, I'll go for this really quickly now. You can see there's a shoulder after splines there. So I want a bolt to actually fit in there. I'm going to tap it down to take this off to actually grind and weld it. So with this one now, it was all pitted and not too special up here. So I'm going to build up that as well. You know, the right, well, sort of a right the rest of the way around. You see there's a spot I've ground into there. So I'll wire brush it now to get the rust out the bottom of these holes now. You can see the actual hole itself there. It's two little pinholes next to each other. But as I said, isn't too special up here as well. You know, that's nearly gone through there and there really. So I'll go at it now, building all this up again. Okay. So that's the dodgy section all welded up. As long as you keep it underneath that collar, it'll be right really above that thickness. So I've got a bit less length there to go next door to it again. Then I'll build up the actual bulb itself. So that's it done, all built up. I'm going to chuck it in some used engine oil now, but it's still hot.
Holy
As you can see, heat rises, so it's bubbling up through it. As you're guessing, it's sort of going round and round. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now.